Daddy, protect us from the water. Oh.
Uh-oh, there's Daddy's sunglasses. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Absolutely. Thank you.
I like how she goes really wide of it.
You never know.
Hi, you want to sit with Mama while we watch your sister right there? Look, she's tempting fate. She keeps going close. Yeah, cheer her on. Go ba ba ba. Yeah. You gonna pull the wagon? Yeah, you can pull it. I know you're a strong baby. Go bring it to Daddy. Go bring it to Daddy. Can you bring it to Daddy?
It's okay, Squirrel. It's okay.
You're fine.
It's okay. Oh.
Jeez, look at her go. Run back to Daddy. Give Daddy a hug.
Almost there, Squirrel. Almost.
Get out of my way.
I think the procedure is if she falls down, then go get a hug.
I know, you can pull it. Go on, I've seen you pull it before. She's like, hold on, I'm gonna get in. And there it was on her foot.
Very high up. Up. Following the procedure. Okay.
Oh yeah? It looks like Juliet is the biggest load in her diaper. Chen's like, I'm over this. See ya. I'm going in.